Greetings to all. Welcome back to online class. You know myself, I am Mrs. Gayatri, social teacher. Students, midterm test is approaching. Okay, we have to prepare for that, children. So, today I am not going to take any new lessons. We will just revise our exam portion. That is, the exam portion, history lesson 9 and geography lesson 1, so that you can write your exams confidently. Okay, children. First of all, history lesson 9. Take page number 113. 113. First Roman number. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Already you have revised 2 or 3 times anyhow. First one, who was the first president of Madras Mahajana Sabha? Madras Mahajana Sabha. Answer B. P. Rangayya. Okay, second question. Where was the third session of Indian National Congress held? First session, second session. Okay, now here is the question, third session. Answer D. Thousand Lights. Question number 3. Who said better bullock carts and freedom than a train deluxe with subjection? Annie Besant. Mrs. Annie Besant. That is A answer. A is the correct answer. Fourth one. Who among the following were Swarajis? Swarajis. Answer A. Yes, Satyamurthy. Satyamurthy. And fifth one. Who set up the Satyagraha camp in Udayavanam near Madras? Udayavanam near Madras. Answer D. T. Prahasam. T. Prahasam. Question number 6. Where was the anti-Hindi conference held? Anti-Hindi conference held. Answer Salem. Salem. How to prepare, children? This book back questions as well as book inside questions. Very important. Go through the book for all the one word answers. Next, we are going to see fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. These questions also revised many times. Okay, revised many times. First one. Dash was appointed the first Indian judge of Madras High Court. T.M. Muthuswamy. T.M. Muthuswamy. Second question. Neelakanta Brahmachari started the secret society. Neelakanta Brahmachari started the secret society. What's the name of that? That is the question. Answer is Bharadamada Society. Bharadamada Society. Question number 3. The Dravidian Association Hostel for non-Brahmin students was established by C. Nadesanar. C. Nadesanar. Question number 4. Dash formed the first Congress ministry in Madras. Dash formed the first Congress ministry in Madras. C. Rajaji. Answer C. Rajaji. Question number 5. Dash was the founder of the Madras branch of the Muslim League. Madras branch only. Okay, Madras branch of the Muslim League. Answer Yaqub Hassan. Sixth question. Dash hoisted the national flag atop Fort St. George on 26th January 1932. 26th January 1932. Boshiam. 26th January 1932. Answer Boshiam. Okay. Next, already I have explained that one. January 26th, 1930, national flag was hoisted by Jawaharlal Nehru on the banks of river Ravi as a declaration of independence. So here you are seeing this Boshiam. He has another one name, that is Arya. Okay, he hoisted the national flag atop Fort St. George on 26th January 1932. Don't confuse with this, children. How to refer page number 111. Page number 111. The both the questions and answer is there. Okay. Next, we will see Roman number 3. Choose the correct statement. Choose the correct statement. First one. For first question, answer is A is the correct answer. That is the first and the second are correct. First one means what? Madras Native Association was founded in 1852. Okay. And second one, what is second? Tamil Nationalist periodical Swadeshamitran was started in the year 1891. This also you have to read and keep for one words. Okay. Question number 2. This here answer is 2 is correct. Second one only is correct. That is Rajaji worked closely with Yaqub Hassan of the Muslim League. Yaqub Hassan of the Muslim League. That we saw. That is fourth question. Okay, fourth, not a fifth question. Dash was the founder of Madras branch of a Muslim League, no? That is Yaqub Hassan. So here is the answer. And go to Roman number 4, match the following. Roman number 4, match the following. Here MNA, Madras Native Association, answer, that is Torture Commission is the answer for that question. Second one, EVR Periyar. EVR Periyar, Vaikam hero, because of Vaikam Satyagraha. And he was responsible for that persons to enter into the temple, Vaikam. And S.N. Somayajulu, removal of Neil statue. Removal of Neil statue. Question number 4, Vedaranyam. Vedaranyam, Salt Satyagraha, you know, under the leadership of Rajaji. And Talamuttu, anti-Hindi agitation. Anti-Hindi agitation, that is Hindi Edirpu Poratam. Okay. Now Roman number 5. This also I have explained 2 or 3 times in the Zoom class. Is it clear, children? First one, answer the questions briefly. Answer the questions briefly. The first question, you know, what is that? List out the contribution of the moderates. List out the contribution of the moderates. So for that question, answer it is given as notes. It is given as notes. First one, the moderates exposed the liberal claims of the British. Moderates showed, this and all I explained many times, children. Moderates exposed the liberal claims of the British. They exposed means showed how the British exploited India and their hypocrisy. Hypocrisy already I said Pasanga Sevadu. In the following democratic principles in England. They imposed an unrepresentative government in the colonies. Not representative form of a government, unrepresentative form of a government in the colonies. And what is colonies also I explained already. Okay. Next question number 2. Write a note on Tirunelveli uprising. Tirunelveli uprising you can see in page number 107 and 108. Answer is in 107 and also in 108. That is Tirunelveli uprising. 107 and 108. 107 means, see under the heading Tirunelveli uprising. VOC joined with Subramania Siva in organizing the mill workers in Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli. In Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli, different mills are there. In that mills, lot of workers were working. Okay. And this VOC and Subramania Siva called all these workers, mill workers, and he organized all the mill workers who were working in the mills in Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli. In the year 1908, he led a strike in the European-owned coral mills. What's the meaning of that? No, in the year 1908, okay, in the European-owned coral mill, that is European-க்கு சொந்தமான coral mill, strike started. So it was led by, that is, it was under the leadership of VOC. Okay, it coincided means அதே நேரத்தில் at the same time. Okay, at the same time, here the strike is going on in the same time. The release of Bipin Chandrapal. Bipin Chandrapal, you know, he was an extremist leader. He was coming out, he was releasing from the prison. Then for that, what VOC and Subramania Siva both were doing, no? VOC and Subramania Siva organized a public meeting. For what? To celebrate the release of Bipin. This Bipin Chandrapal, he is releasing, he is coming out from the jail. That is why, in order to celebrate that, one public meeting was conducted, held, organizing one public meeting. So, VOC and Subramania Siva were arrested. The two leaders here who and all, VOC and Subramania Siva, were charged with sedition. That means Arasathoga Kuttam Chattapattu. Okay, Arasathoga Kuttam Chattapattu. Sentenced to rigorous imprisonment, they were put in the prison. Kodumayana Murayal. Okay, next. Initially, VOC was given a draconian sentence. We cannot say like that. This VOC suffered. Okay. and 2 life imprisonments, Iratayayul Tandane, was given to VOC. The news of the arrest sparked riots in Tirunelveli. So the arrest of these two leaders, it spread like a forest fire. That is the reason, because of that sparked riots in Tirunelveli, Kalahangal, Tirunelveli district fully, leading to the burning down of a police station. Police station was burned, and court buildings that were also burned, and a municipal office also affected because of that. It led to the death of 4 people in police firing. Because of police firing, 4 of them died. POC was treated harshly in the prison and was made to pull the heavy oil press. That means, treated very harshly. He suffered a lot and in the prison and was made to pull the heavy oil press. Check the chemmal, like that one name was there for VOC. So he was pulling that oil press. Okay, this is short question number 2. Okay, my children, and you have to go to the next question. What is the contribution of Annie Besant to India's freedom struggle? That is contribution of Annie Besant to India's freedom struggle. Answer is on page number 108. Page number 108, you can see. See under the Annie Besant and the Home Rule Movement, second para. Already we have marked all these question answers, children. Second line, Annie Besant started Home Rule League in 1916. This is also one word question. Okay, started Home Rule League in 1916 and carried forward the demand for home rule all over India. That is for what purpose she started the Home Rule League in the year 1916? No. So we need home rule for all over India. Our people should ruled the country. That is the meaning. Okay, next. She started the newspapers New India and Commonweal. Okay, 2 newspapers. She started the 2 newspapers, New India and another one is Commonweal. Okay, to carry forward her agenda, carry forward her work task. And she remarked, better bullock carts and freedom than the train deluxe with subjection. Okay, that I explained on that day in Tamil. Okay, வசதி வாய்ந்த இந்த பெரிய ட்ரெயினில் செல்றதை விட புல்லக் காட்டில் போகிறது better, like that she said. And she wrote 2 books, How India Wrought for Freedom and India. Understand? One book, one is known as what? India. And how India wrought for freedom. Okay. India விடுதலை வருவதற்கு எவ்வளவு துயருட்டது. That is the meaning. A nation and a pamphlet. Okay. A nation, தேசம் and a pamphlet on self-government. Self-government பற்றி ஒரு pamphlet ஒரு just like a small book. Okay. This is the answer, short question answer. Okay, next we should refer this paragraph answers from this lesson. That is paragraph question 1. Only 3 questions are here. Paragraph question 1. First one, discuss the response to Swadeshi movement in Tamil Nadu. Discuss the response to Swadeshi movement in Tamil Nadu. That is answer is in page number 107 and 108. Page number 107. Take children, page number 107. See under the heading Swadeshi movement. That is 9.2 Swadeshi movement. First paragraph. That full paragraph, Swadeshi movement, that full paragraph is there. That is considered as the first paragraph of this question. Okay. Many small paragraphs are also there. Okay, children. Next. The partition of Bengal 1905. This is also one word question. You can write that timeline also, children. So the partition of Bengal 1905 led to Swadeshi movement. That is because of the partition of Bengal, that is in the year 1905, paved the way for the creation of Swadeshi movement. And this partition of Bengal changed the course of freedom struggle movement. In various parts of India, that is different parts of our country, India, especially Bengal, Punjab and Maharashtra, only 3. Bengal, Punjab and Maharashtra. popular leaders emerged. Important leaders came. Okay. They implemented நடைமுறைப்படுத்துவது. They implemented the program of Calcutta Congress. What was their aim? To implement the program of the Calcutta Congress. And in that Calcutta Congress called upon the nation to promote Swadeshi enterprise. Swadeshi நிறுவனங்களின் உயர்வுக்காக, to improve the Swadeshi நிறுவனங்கள் enterprises institutions we can say. And boycott foreign goods, don't want to buy or don't want to get foreign goods. And promote national education should be improved on national level. Okay. And next, response in Tamil Nadu. Under that, first sentence, V.O. Chidambarnar, P. Chakkaraiyer, Subramania Bharati and Surendranath Arya were some of the prominent leaders of Tamil Nadu. Here also one word question, say anyone. Okay, V.O. Chidambarnar or Chakkaraiyer or Subramania Bharati or Surendranath Arya. These are the important leaders of Tamil Nadu. Public meetings attended by thousands of people were organized in various parts of Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, different regions, public meetings were conducted and a large number of people attended this meeting. Okay. Next, leave the one line and come. Subramania Bharati's patriotic songs. You know, Bharati, famous patriotic songs. Right. Okay. So he wrote many patriotic songs, especially important in stirring patriotic emotions. When we are saying or when we are singing these patriotic songs of Subramania Bharati, it kindled patriotic emotions, patriotic feelings will come in our mind when we are seeing or singing or hearing these Bharati's poems, patriotic poems. Many journals were started, இதழ்கள், newspapers, small books like that we can say. For what? No, to propagate Swadeshi ideals. Swadeshamitran and India were the two prominent journals. Here also one word. Swadeshamitran and India were the prominent journals. The extremist leader, here is one more question. Extremist leader Bipin Chandrapal toured here means visited Madras. Bipin Chandrapal visited Madras and delivered lectures, gave speech which inspired the youth. Okay, which inspired that means all the youth, young people liked his speech, and students and youth participated widely in the Swadeshi movement, like you people, students or college students and other youth also participated in the Swadeshi movement. That means large number of people participated in the Swadeshi movement. Next, Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company. Under that full para. One of the most enterprising acts, that is one of the important acts in persons of Swadeshi. Swadeshiயை create பண்றதுக்காக உருவாக்குறதுக்காக was launching the Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company at Thuthukudi by V.O. Chidambarnar. Okay. Here persons we can take many meanings. Okay, was launching of a Swadeshi steam. He started Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company at Thuthukudi. Okay, who? V.O. Chidambarnar. He purchased 2 ships. Here is one more question. Gali and Lavo. And plied them between Thuthukudi and Colombo. Colombo-ku Thuthukudi-ku in between it was moving and coming, going and coming. Next, Tirunelveli uprising is also there. That one I have already explained. Okay. Now, that much only up to Tirunelveli uprising. Now go to question number 2. Paragraph question number 2 we are going to revise. That is, examine the origin and growth of non-Brahmin movement in Tamil Nadu. Non-Brahmin movement in Tamil Nadu. That is page number 108 and 109. See children, under the heading non-Brahmin movement 108. So the South Indian Liberal Federation, under that you have to see. The non-Brahmins organized themselves into political organizations to protect protect their interest. That is, non-Brahmins means Brahmins, one set of people. Other than Brahmins, okay, they were called non-Brahmins. What these non-Brahmins were doing, no, organized themselves into political organization. They themselves created one political organization for what? To protect their interest, to protect their needs, to protect their lives, we can say. And leave the next two and come down the last sentence. In June 1916, he, instead of he, you have to write C. Nadesanar. Instead of he, you have to write C. Nadesanar. Established the Dravidian Association Hostel for non-Brahmin students. Okay, this also can come for 1 mark question. Now, Dravidian Association Hostel for non-Brahmin students who established, like that can come. On 20th November 1916, a meeting of about 30 non-Brahmins, okay, here also one word, on 20th November 1916, a meeting was there, about 30 Brahmins, non-Brahmins participated. It was under the leadership of this meeting was held under the leadership of Tyagarayan, that is P. Tyagarayan, Dr. T.M. Nair, C. Nadesanar, and to Victoria Public Hall, that is in Chennai. Three persons were the leaders. Okay, P. Tyagarayan, Dr. T.M. Nair, and C. Nadesanar. Okay, next paragraph, that is Justice Ministry. That full paragraph is also there. The Congress boycotted the elections of 1920. Here is one word question, children. Congress boycotted. They don't want to participate in the election. That is, they didn't join. Okay. The Justice Party won 63 out of 98 elected seats. Totally 98 elected seats were there in the Legislative Council. But the Justice Party won out of 98 to 63 seats. Okay. A. Subbarayalu of the Justice Party. That is Subbarayalu, he was from Justice Party. Became the first Chief Minister. After the 1923 elections. So, after the 1923 elections over, after that, Raja of Panagal of the Justice Party formed the ministry. Okay, Raja of Panagal of the Justice Party formed the ministry. This much is the second question. Okay, that is the second paragraph answer. Okay, wow. Next, go to next question, that is paragraph question 3. This is the last question. This is the last question of this lesson. Okay, that is describe the role of Tamil Nadu in the civil disobedience movement. Role of Tamil Nadu in the civil disobedience movement. Answer is in page number 110 and 111. 110 and 111. Regarding page number 110, see the last paragraph, that is civil disobedience movement towards Purna Swaraj. From the beginning itself, children, the Madras session of the Indian National Congress in 1927. So, Indian National Congress, it was in the held in Madras in the year 1927. See the next line, Lahore session of the Congress, that is 1929. So, Madras session of the Congress 1927, Lahore session of the Congress 1929. See, both the Congress, its aim was complete independence. Its goal was what? Complete independence. And here also, Lahore session also, which was conducted in the year, or which was held in the year 1929, there also Purna Swaraj, that is complete independence, was adopted, was followed as their goal. Okay. Next, go to Salt March to Vedaranyam. Under the heading, third line, that last word. Rajaji organized and led Salt Satyagraha March to Vedaranyam. That is, for Vedaranyam, Salt March or Salt Satyagraha, Rajaji was the leader. The march started from Tiruchirappalli. Okay, this Vedaranyam Salt March started from where? Tiruchirappalli. When it was started? 13th April 1930. And it reached Vedaranyam on 28th April. So, 13th April it started, and 28th April it reached to Vedaranyam. Vedaranyam, that is in Tanjavur district. This is a 1 mark question. And on reaching Vedaranyam, 12 volunteers under the leadership of Rajaji broke the salt law. Because here volunteers means Tondargal, we can say. And under the leadership of this Rajaji, 12 volunteers broke the salt law. How? No? By picking salt, by picking a pinch of salt. Rajaji was arrested because he was the leader of this march. No? Then T.S.S. Rajan, Rukmani Lakshmipati, Sardar Vedaratnam, C. Swaminathan and K. Sandanam were among the prominent leaders. They were the important leaders. These leaders participated in the Vedaranyam Salt Satyagraha. Next, widespread agitations in Tamil districts under that sea. From the beginning, the Satyagrahis under the leadership of here two leaders, T. Pragasam and K. Nageshwara Rao, set up a camp. They started on camp at Udayavanam near Madras. Okay. However, the police arrested them. The police arrested that people, and it led to Hartal in Madras. Hartal means closing the shops. Okay. Next, come 2 or 3 lines, leave and come down. Volunteers who attempted to offer salt satyagraha in Rameshwaram were arrested. That means some of the volunteers, Tondargal, they tried to start salt satyagraha in Rameshwaram. They were also arrested. Again come down. When women participated enthusiastically, very happily, women also participated. Rukmani Lakshmipati was the first woman to pay penalty, okay, Abaradam, that in Tamil, for violation of salt law. For what she paid this penalty? For the violation of salt law, opposition. She opposed the salt law, that is why. And the police used brutal force to suppress the movement. That means the police took effective steps to suppress the movement. Bhashyam, popularly known as Arya, hoisted the national flag atop Fort St. George on 26th January 1932. This sentence many times came. Next, martyrdom of Tirupur Kumaran. On 11th January 1932, a procession carrying national flag and singing patriotic songs was brutally beaten by the police in Tirupur. That means, come down in Tirupur on 11th January 1932, one set of people, that is a procession Urvalam, that people are carrying national flag and they were singing patriotic songs. This procession was brutally beaten by கொடுமையாக போலீசாரால் தாக்கப்பட்டார்கள். O.K.S.R. Kumaraswamy, popularly known as Tirupur Kumaran, fell dead. He died. Holding the national flag aloft, national flag he was keeping in his hand when he died. He was hailed as Kodikatha Kumaran. Okay, so he was appreciated as Kodikatha Kumaran. Then remaining little notes. Thus, the civil disobedience movement was one of the largest mass movements. Okay, not like other movements. It is one of the largest mass movements in Tamil Nadu. With the participation of people from all sections of the society, from different parts of India, okay, different sections of the people participated. Okay, so the civil movements is considered the largest mass movements. Okay, children, with this I finish today's session. Children, learn all the question answers very nicely and prepare well also. Okay, I am expecting, children, you can get very good marks. Maximum I am expecting full marks from you, children. Okay, children, thank you. Bye.